bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
If your dishwasher tablet is not releasing, it's likely due to either a malfunctioning dispenser door or tablet that's too large for the dispenser. Firstly, check the dispenser door to ensure it's not blocked or damaged. Next, ensure the tablet size is appropriate for your machine. For a quick fix, place the tablet at the bottom of the dishwasher as a temporary solution. Consult the manufacturer's manual for specifics on dispenser issues or consider seeking professional help if the problem persists.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.